If you're tired of looking at your old TV which does not offer any modern streaming platforms, then you might want to check out this Android TV box unless you're planning to invest in a smart TV. This is the MINIX X35i Plus, a unique device that can turn your ordinary TV into a fully functional Android system even if you don't own one. Now before we jump into the product, let's take a look at what we got inside the box. At the center of the box, we have the X35i Plus itself with dual band antenna. Additionally, a 12-volt power adapter and an HDMI cable to connect the display. It also comes with a separate remote to control the system and an extra micro USB cable. Design-wise, the EMI Shield case looks pretty good with its nice and clean black finishing. Moving on to the connectivity, on the front panel, it has a power button with one USB 3.0 port, two USB 2.0, one SD card slot, an OTG port, and a Kensing lock. On the right panel, it has one headphone and microphone jack, one HDMI, an optical audio port along with an Ethernet jack for connecting to the internet, and power input. Under the hood, MINIX X35i Plus has industrial-grade components. The 6-layer PCB has been aligned perfectly in order to function at a higher capacity. It carries a quad-core ARM Cortex-A-SS processor with Mali G52 MP2 GPU along with 2GB of DDR4 RAM and 32GB of internal memory storage. But you can always upgrade it to a 512GB if you ever need more storage. Surprisingly, the dual band antenna can also be used as a router while it's connected to the internet through an Ethernet cable. And it uses Wi-Fi 6 for precise streaming from other devices as well. To prevent any damage from a bad electrical connection, this device has static, lightning, and over-voltage protections. Also, the low power consumption helps to increase the efficiency by up to 85%. Now that we talked about the specs, looks, and connectivity, let's discuss a bit about the initial features and why you might want to get this TV box. The X35i Plus uses Android 11 as its operating system. At first glance, the interface looks amazing. Everything feels smooth and the remote is very responsive. It also comes with pre-rooted firmware software which is fully customizable. On top of that, you can connect the X35i Plus to your phone using the wireless connection and control the whole interface with your fingertips. What we love most about this device is that the X35i Plus can stream 4K videos. So, if you do have a 4K TV that does not have an Android interface, then this device will work like a charm. The Google Play Store is included on the surface of its interface so that users can download their favorite apps and games from the Play Store at any time they want. All you have to do is sign into a Google account through your smartphone, or you can log in manually using the TV as well. Additionally, MINIX X35i supports Wacom LAN, RTC, and Watchdog, which makes this device an ideal choice for commercial usage. As a result, this Android TV can be used for industrial applications such as kiosk, POS, digital signage, and many more. So, is it worth buying a MINIX X35i Plus Android TV box? Well, it's definitely worth buying for someone who does not own an Android TV. Also, it cuts the cost of buying an expensive TV for mid-range customers. Compared to other Android devices, it comes at a reasonable price range with pretty good services as well. So, if you're someone who wants to upgrade the TV instead of getting a new expensive one, then you should definitely check out this product. That was all about reviewing the MINIX X35i Plus Android TV box. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.